Now we're going to talk a little bit about the windshield wiper blades themselves. You want to check, make sure you have good tension on the arm. That'll keep it pressed against the windshield to help wipe it clean. Check your blade for tears, smoothness. And when replacing these, always buy a good quality blade. Don't buy the cheapest one that's out there. In a lot of northern states during the wintertime, I used to wonder why people would put the blades up in the air like that and leave them. That was to keep them from freezing to the windshield on the snowy days. We've come to the other side. We're going to check the other blade. The blade looks good. There's plenty of tension to keep it pressed against the windshield. The glass looks good. And I'd say we're good to go as far as the blades are concerned. If you don't change the blade on a regular basis, you could end up with a windshield like this one right here. Once it's scarred, and that's a deep scar, the windshield glass will need to be replaced. You're probably looking at about $400 for a tinted glass.